Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monzo, a popular challenger bank in the UK. I'm often asked what bank Monzo is part of, so I thought I'd do a video about it. What is Monzo? Monzo is a digital bank that was founded in 2015. It offers a range of banking services, including current accounts, credit cards, and overdrafts. Monzo is known for its innovative features, such as its budgeting tool and its ability to track your spending in real time. Is Monzo a bank? Yes, Monzo is a bank. It is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK. This means that Monzo is subject to the same rules and regulations as traditional banks. What bank is Monzo part of? Monzo is not part of any other bank. It is an independent bank. How does Monzo make money? Monzo makes money from a variety of sources, including interest on customer deposits, fees for credit cards, and interchange fees. Is Monzo safe? Yes, Monzo is safe. It is a regulated bank, and it uses a number of security measures to protect your money. What are the benefits of using Monzo? There are a number of benefits to using Monzo. Some of the benefits include no monthly fees, free international spending, easy budgeting, real-time spending tracking, innovative features, excellent customer service. What are the drawbacks of using Monzo? There are also some drawbacks to using Monzo. Some of the drawbacks include limited branch network, no overdraft facility for some accounts, limited investment options. Is Monzo right for you? Whether or not Monzo is right for you depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're looking for a bank that offers innovative features, free international spending, and easy budgeting, then Monzo may be a good option for you. However, if you need access to a branch network or an overdraft facility, then Monzo may not be the right choice. Monzo is a popular challenger bank that offers a range of innovative features. It is a safe and secure bank, and it is a good option for many people. However, it is important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks of Monzo before deciding if it is the right bank for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video about Monzo. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.